My name is Laura Valentina Castaño Vélez. I am studying University UNAT. This is hybrid project management model. The facets by a Sustentación are architect agile and the controlling your projects. The trailing imparting opinions, the risk evaluate curve, the problem. Traditional dimension accumulates risk not the final page. For agile can the lack macro prediction is in strictly regular and your environment the solution. The trial the problem could use the justification. How the script regulation compliance and the predicability of traditional gives the with the rapid adoption and the early rings milkantion of agile literates. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Luis Armando Ariza. The strategy branch in branch governance is a model to continuous business justification. It is not employs to start a project. We was ensured in the remains economic value at the very stage. Um, it allows it is business sense to bring flag it. And number two, the magnet be strong. Exceptional this is work with enable agility, management grant autonomy to the technical teams and which set borders tolerance. In particular only if codes or time scale are excessive. Uh, Product orientation, which is our focus from granular activities to actuality value of the final product. Ensure that strategy requires that the alien which uh, all increment develop. Uh, the structural skeleton, uh, the PMBOQ or the WBET, uh, uh, it scouts baseline with user hierarchical decomposition of the defined exactly which will at the view, prior to a scope screen or the control chains. Number two, developers focus. We vary to the work in the mature components without focus on the verb in attached, but the nouns tangent owes the secure crown on the validity. In the number three, the hybrid dish. This is the most typical point of the or proposal. The work factor and the lowest level of the WB is at the stand line of the Scrum block log. This is at the word traditional practice because the fuel for the agility design in the engine.
A cordial greeting to everyone. My name is Jorge Alberto Rincon Rodriguez, and in this part of the presentation, I will explain the design and justification of the AV project management model developed by integrating PMBOK and Prince2 and Scrum. Okay. In this slide, we can see how the hybrid model was designed. First, PMBO key and Prince 2 were selected as the traditional methodologies because they provided structure, planning, document control, and proper management of risk, time, and cost. The Scrum was incorporated as the agile methodology for the execution phase, allowing the project to work through sprints, daily meetings, and interactive value delivery. The hybrid model is divided in three main stages. The first stage is traditional planning, including the project charger or breakdown structure and risk matrix. The second stage is agile execution, where activities are developed using a backlog management, sprint, and canvas board. Finally, the formal closing stage varies deliverables and documents lesson learned. This designates the integration of administrative control with the flexible and adaptability of agile methodologies. Okay, the hybrid model is used to it because an engineering project currently require both control and adaptability to constant change. Traditional methodologies provide organization, documentation, and detailed monitoring. However, they can become rigid in dynamic environments. On the other hand, Scrum allows teams to respond quickly to change and improve collaboration through continuous delivery and constant communication. For this reason, combining both approaches approach generates import benefits such as before control of scope, time, and cost, greater flexibility for change, risk reduction, better communication among team members, continuous delivery of the value to the client, improved quality and customer satisfaction. Additionally, this model can be applied to industrial engineering, construction, automation, logistics, digital transformation, and technology development projects. Thank you very much.
My name is Jaime Andrés Arbolel Real, Stage 7. The hybrid advantage synthesis of capabilities. Good afternoon, everyone. This Islam explain how the hybrid model combines the strengths of traditional and agile methodologies to improve in engineering project management. Alongside traditional methodologies such as PMBOK and PRIST to provide structure, planning, budget control, and complying with international standards. This approach el organization maintain stability and reduce project risk. On the other side, agile methodologies like Scrum contribute flexibility, quick problem solving, continuous testing, and early delivery of fractional result. This allows team to adapt faster to changing during project execution by integrate, integrating both approaches. The hybrid model create, create a balance between control and adaptability, improving innovation, efficiency, and stakeholder satisfaction. Slide 8. Engineering the future, applicability and conclusion. This slide presents how the hybrid model is applying during the different stages of an engineering project. At the, bene- at the beginning, PM book and priest to support project planning, governance, and quality management during the concept and design phases. These methodologies provide clear organization and monitoring. During execution, Scrum work through short sprint that allow continuous development, testing, and rapid adaptation to project changes. This agile process improves communication and teamwork. As a result, the hybrid model increases efficiency, accelerates delivery, and helps organization respond successfully to complex engineering eva- enor- environment. Thank you very much.